Hello everyone, Lakay is here again. Ang topic natin ngayon ay bumili ako ng LED para dito sa aking pickup truck kasi yung original na halogen ay napakadilim sa gabi. So ngayon bumili ako nito sa lang natin binili ito sa Amazon ko to binili. Inabot ko to ng $70 ba? O mga $70 plus pati delivery and all like that. Alright, so buksan na natin yung hood. Ayan. So, kailangan natin tanggalin yung battery kasi medyo masikip doon. Dito okay lang. Maabot natin. Right, but the other one is going to be a problem. Alright, so first thing we have to remove the battery. So, di ba? Much easier, right? Alright, so see that one here? On top. That looks good. So now the problem is, how is this gonna work? So we have a little bit problem. So what are we gonna do? It doesn't really fit, right? So now what we have to do is we're gonna shave this one, this part. Alright, let's go shave it. Alright, so now I already notch it out. So I notch it out like that. See, original is like this. Now I notch it out like that. Okay. Nope, I gotta put this one first. Yeah. Okay. So what I did, see this one? That's the original like this, right? Here, so I notch it out there too. I think that should be good now. Okay. Okay. Right. And then we'll put this guy in. Okay, let's do the other one. Oh, yeah, it's gonna be hard to see because this guy's blocking it. Yeah. Okay, that's good. And this one is simply turn. Okay, so that we can see. I don't know if you can see that. See that? That's why we notch it out. Almost there. Until it stops. All right, that's good. Okay, what's the plug? So now we're just gonna plug this one. There you go. Now we can, I don't know, plug it or something. I'll just put it. Yeah. We're just gonna clean that. Done. The other one too, we're just gonna cable tie it, and we're all good. Yeah. We're just gonna see. Look at that. And we're done. Now we're just gonna put the battery. Let's see. Good. Okay, that's good. Alright, so now we're done. Now we can double check. Okay, let's see how it looks, how bright it is. Battery is going. It's weak. Oh wow. That's where it is. Well, maliwanag na. Yeah, it's bright. Now let's do some adjustment. No more yellow. That's my bike. Okay. Okay, let's go test it. Right, so that's the headlight. It's pretty much the same. I don't know. There's no difference. Oh, where's the driving light? I mean, so where's my driving light? No driving light? That sucks. Where's my daylight? No, that's no good. Alright, so it's bright, but where's my headlight in my driving light? Yeah, that's bright. I don't have that before. Before it's hard to see. But my headlight, driving light is the same. No daylight. Oh man. That's good how it is. It's bright, not bad. The only thing is, the only downside is I don't know if there's something, if there's any other setup. It's the daylight.